Welcome to Stirring Success, the official EvenMix podcast, where we dive into the cutting-edge world of industrial mixing technology. Discover the science and stories behind our aerospace-engineered solutions, designed to perfect your mixing process. Let's stir up innovation together, starting now. In today's episode, we'll cover the versatility of EvenMix's mixing devices, suitable for various applications such as paint, adhesives, slurries, cosmetics, and water treatment chemicals.
Today we are here to talk about the incredible versatility of EvenMix's mixing devices. We have previously discussed how our mixers excel at blending fertilizers and animal feed, but there is so much more that our clients combine with our IBC mixers, pail mixers, polymer tote mixers, and drum mixers. So let's dive into the top 5 things that can be easily mixed with our exceptional mixing technology. First on our list is paint. If you find yourself needing to mix large amounts of paint for commercial purposes, our mixers will meet your needs. Whether you have a 5 or 10 gallon pail of paint, our regular duty pail mixer is a perfect fit. Designed for light aggregates, slurries, and liquids, it promises to thoroughly mix your paint, ensuring a consistent and professional finish. Moving on to adhesives, many commercial applications require precise mixing of these substances. Whether it's construction projects that demand large quantities of tile adhesive or the creation of rubber and other polymers, our mixers are up to the task. With an impressive capability to handle up to 800 inch-pounds of force, our mixers are more than capable of tackling even the toughest batches of liquid adhesive. Next, we have slurries. Slurries are mixtures that consist of small, hard particles of pulverized solids combined with a liquid. Concrete is a well-known example of a slurry, but there are numerous other types as well. Regardless of the type of slurry you need to combine, any one of our mixers will get the job done. The choice of mixer will depend on the container you are using for your mixture. Now, let's talk about something unexpected: cosmetics. Yes, you read it right. Even batches of cosmetics require proper mixing.
Many cosmetic products start out in liquid form before being molded into their final shapes. Whether it's lipsticks, foundations, or even eyeliners, our IBC tote mixers are here to help. These mixers are lightweight and reliable, making it incredibly efficient and effortless to blend your batches of cosmetics to perfection. Last but not least, water treatment chemicals. Water treatment plants rely on specific chemical mixtures to function effectively. The exact combination of chemicals varies depending on the water conditions, often requiring custom mixes that are measured and combined on-site.
Our mixers are excellent for this purpose, with our pinless drum mixers standing out. We offer both single and double blade varieties, ensuring that none of the chemicals are left at the bottom of the drum. With EvenMix, you can trust that your water treatment chemicals will be thoroughly mixed, resulting in optimal performance. In this episode, we have delved into the remarkable versatility of EvenMix's mixing technology. Our IBC mixers, pail mixers, polymer tote mixers, and drum mixers have proven themselves essential across a wide range of industries, from agriculture to cosmetics and water treatment. The innovative design of our mixers allows for efficient mixing of diverse materials, including paint, adhesives, slurries, cosmetics, and complex chemical solutions. At EvenMix, we are committed to providing lightweight, reliable, and powerful mixing solutions that meet the unique demands of different applications. We continuously strive to enhance the efficiency and quality of your mixing processes. Our dedication to innovation ensures that our mixing technology remains at the forefront, enabling you to achieve optimal blending results. As you consider the diverse mixtures you need to combine, remember that EvenMix has the perfect solution for your mixing needs. Thank you for joining us on this episode about the versatility of EvenMix's mixing devices. Stay tuned for more exciting insights as we continue to explore the world of mixing technology.
In today's episode, we explored the versatility of EvenMix's mixing devices, which are perfect for a variety of industries including paint, adhesives, slurries, cosmetics, and even water treatment chemicals. Thank you for tuning into Stirring Success by EvenMix. We hope you're leaving inspired and informed about the future of mixing technology. For more insights and updates, visit us at evenmix.com. Keep mixing, and see you in the next episode.